You don't need to have authority over your audience to show leadership. You don't need to manage a large team or even have a single direct report. Whenever you are communicating with the intent to inspire action, you are leading.
When women reduce their vocal power by minimizing their voice, it decreases the likelihood that their audience will be inspired by their ideas. Throughout history, many cultures encouraged women to minimize their voices, figuratively and literally.
Grab onto buzzwords and management speak that seems to connote powerful thinking rather than doing the hard work of figuring out what we are actually trying to say.